Welcome, Trevor's Garage. Today we are going to be taking off the left front fender. We are doing a full restoration of a 1993 Honda Civic. Kind of jumping in at a later time of the full restoration. But today we're just going to be focusing on the fender, taking that off. As you can see, I do not have any wheel well plastics in. The car never came with it when I purchased it. I do have some online order right now. Let's get to it. The tools you will need is going to be basically a 10 mil socket, wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver. Alright, let's get started. So there are 7 bolts holding the fender on. First one here, second, third, fourth. Got one right up in here, fifth, sixth way up in there. Then we have a 7th way in there we're gonna have to get from the other side of the door. And just like that, we got it off. Thanks for watching. Trevor's Garage.